I'm John Ryan, the head greenkeeper at Nidri Castle Golf Club. I've been in this placement for about a year now.
So I'm Andy Thompson, I'm one of the green staff at Paisley Golf Club.
Hiya, so my name's Neil Middleton, I'm the head greenkeeper at Mulgai Golf Club.
Hi, I'm Chris Pryor and I'm the course manager here at Buchanan Castle Golf Club.
I'm James McDonald, I'm the head greenkeeper at Buchanan Castle Golf Club.
My name's Chris McGee, I'm the head greenkeeper here at Balmyle Golf Course.
So we purchased the Wessex. This was to prolong the life of the other Toro rough mower that we've got. We've got a lot of rough up here, so we now benefit from having two machines to get round it quicker and prolong the life of the older machine.
The main benefit with the Wessex machine is the finish it gives here at Buchanan Castle. We're a pretty flat golf course. There's maybe one or two holes we thought we'd maybe have problems, but it's been absolutely fine.
Quality cut's really good. I was actually quite surprised how good the cut was. I'm not used to working on a ride-on fairway mower. It was a bit of a push to come and get the Wessex, to be truthfully honest with you, but once I got it in, I was right impressed with the cut.
So we looked at a few different rough machines, but the Wessex was by far and away the best one we came across.
The difference in the demo, the quality of cut in the demo, we have a lot of rig and furrow out in the course and we don't scalp. It gets to the bottom of all the slopes. It's really easy to operate. Quality of cut's great. That was a deciding factor on it there.
So it cuts down a lot of man hours cutting the rough, but the Wessex actually leaves a cleaner job. You don't actually need to spend as much time blowing the rough once it's been cut.
I'm not a fan of stripes. As such, we tend to block cut most of the golf course. Just for speed, we've got 4 staff.
That was one of my main worries, was the undulations in here, because like I say, we've got old railways running through the full golf course basically, but if there is ever a gauge, it's basically our error. It's not the machine's fault, but it not handles it extremely well.
One of the big worries we had when purchasing this machine was the terrain. We're a really, really hilly golf course. There's a lot of stones, we've got a lot of roots, and we've probably got some of the most rainfall in the whole of Great Britain. But to be honest, the machine has coped really, really well with all of those things.
Just everything about it, like as I say earlier, the finish is absolutely great, and for the price, it's a no-brainer for us. I would definitely recommend it to anyone that's looking.
I would thoroughly recommend this machine.